Hello everyone, this is Neelam. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Let's Know Science. In this video, we will talk about good food habits. Under this heading, I will tell you the types of food, healthy eating habits and care for teeth. So let's begin. First is we all eat food, but it is important to know that what kind of food should we take. Food that help us to grow, food that gives us energy and food that help us to fight against disease. So we always try to eat that kind of food which contain all these nutrients. Or we can say we should always try to take a balanced diet. What is this balanced diet? A diet that contains all vital nutrients required by a human body is called balanced diet. Or we can define balanced diet that comprise of vital nutrients like carbohydrate, fats, vitamin, minerals, protein and fiber. Sufficient and nutritious food that ensures good health is included in a balanced diet. So we must try to take balanced diet. Now move to the proper food habits. There are certain rules we should always follow while taking a food. That is, first comes is food at fixed time. We should always eat clean food and there are rules which we follow on the dining table. First we will discuss food at fixed time. We always eat thrice in a day. We must have our meals at a fixed time every day. In morning, we take breakfast. In afternoon, we take lunch. And in evening, we take dinner. We should not eat in between these meals. Next is clean food. We always wash our fruits and vegetables before eating or cooking. As you can see in the picture, girl is washing the veggies. She is going to cook it. Okay. Next is we should not eat uncovered food. We should cover all cooked food with a lid or a net. We should not eat stale food. Always try to eat a food which is healthy and fresh. We should not buy food from the roadside vendors. They sell uncovered food. Sometimes this food is stale. It has germs or dust. It can make us sick. So try to eat a healthy food at your home. Never eat roadside vendors' food which is uncovered because it leads us to fall sick. Now we will talk the final topic, that is at the dining table. What are the rules we must follow at the dining table? First is we must eat at a clean place only. Whenever we are taking our meals, try to keep the space clean. Wash your hands before and after having your meals. When we will wash our hands will get clean or germ free. And if we will not wash our hands, then maybe our hands contain germs and these germs will enter in our mouth because we eat with our hands. So always wash your hand before and after having your meals. We must chew food well and eat slowly. Yes, we should always chew food in a proper manner. Always eat your food in a slowly manner, but not so slow, okay? Have a speed, not too much, not very slow, okay? We should not talk and laugh while eating. There are many kids who don't follow this rule. They always usually talk while taking their meals. So we should not talk and laugh while eating. Next is we should not waste food because it is very precious. Yes, Farmer work day and night to give us wheat. So, we should respect his hard work and we should not waste the food. Whatever we are taking in our plate, try to finish it up. Next is, you have always heard that we should always brush our teeth twice in a day, once in the morning and once in the night. So you should brush your teeth, try to clean your teeth after every meal, because bits of food get stuck between our teeth, so we must clean our teeth after every meal. We should raise our mouth with water after eating. We must have good food habits to stay healthy, and we should not overeat. Eat in a limited manner, because if we will eat in a limited manner, it will keep us healthy. And if we do overeating, it will lead to the obesity. So stay healthy, eat healthy, and that's all for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit bell icon. Thank you so much.